Why is she doing that to your toys? She like your kitty cat? Can you give the cat to Cassie? Can you give it to Cassie? Yeah. Good job. Good job, Elizabeth.
Oh, wow. Cassie might have packed it in her hands.
Yeah, you giving it to Cassie? Yeah, give it to Cassie. No, don't.
Cassie, how do you
Here,
resist?
can you give it to Mother? Here, let's give it to Cassie. She likes it. Oh.
Uh-oh, Elizabeth.
Look at her go.
What's happening to the cat, Elizabeth?
What's she doing? Elizabeth, be careful.